Truckscbsales here with a timber report for Stevins over in Montana. That's right, Montana, the last real piece of America on this present Lincoln 2 Plus. Stevins got you ready to go, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, capacitor upgrade. Got this thing rocking. Turn RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Our rear request 1 watt, actually about 3/4. So you'll be able to turn that thing down low. And per your other request, 5 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. About 32 bird. And yes, we're using a Superstar mic, and of course you have to have that adapter to use a 4-pin. Let's show you PEP. A low 1, 2, a lower, about 58 watts. And I'll roll it all the way down. A lower, still 58 watts. I know you'll be working some sideband, so we're going to take and go down here on sideband for you. A low 1, 2, a low. So about 38 watts with it all the way down. Roll it up. A lower, about 57 all the way up. Alright, Stevens, I think you're going to really enjoy this thing, man. This thing's loaded. Great receivers, high cut filters, noise blankers. You can turn that beep off or on, whatever you want to do. All kinds of stuff in the menu. Push and hold. You can go into all this. Got your beeps. All kinds of different things. So, enough to keep you busy. Alright, Stevens, hope you're enjoying your life up there in Montana. Don't forget to send me some pictures from your friend Truck at truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.